My favorite thing to do next to educating on skincare and ingredients is educating on products that I personally use and love. That's why today's mini video is even extra special, because we are going to be talking about one of my favorite products in my PM routine, and that is the Lenox and Sixteenth, the Laser Serum. It's called the Laser Serum because it's not only going to extend the results that you get from in-office procedures, but it also mimics the results without having a laser involved. The Laser Serum is a triple acid concentration that targets the same visible outcomes as in-office laser treatments regarding tone, clarity, texture, surface smoothness, and overall brightness of the skin. And it has the ability to achieve it through topical skin renewal. It utilizes a synergistic blend of acids, mandelic, lactic, and glycolic. What's really great is these three acids all work independently on different layers of the skin. Mandelic gently promotes cellular turnover with minimal irritation. Glycolic penetrates to resurface and smooth, while improving clarity and texture. And the lactic hydrates while supporting barrier function and exfoliation. Together, though, is really why the magic happens with this potent little serum. It's because these acids guide corneocyte shedding, improve light reflection, and help skin appear smoother, brighter, and more uniform, without irritation. Like I said, this is called the Laser Serum because it mimics your in-office procedures by stimulating surface renewal. However, unlike aggressive treatments, it supports gradual improvement without irritation or downtime. And even the most sensitive skin types, including myself, can use it. You'll just slowly work up to using it daily. I started with twice a week. When used consistently, you will actually feel the texture of your skin changed. I have been using products for many, many years, and for me to actually physically feel a difference was shocking to me, but it actually made my skin feel like satin. And it's just overall helped my skin to look luminous. And it's also helped to buff out some of those fine lines that were starting to show. Well, Lenox and Sixteenth isn't an actual laser. I think it's even better. It's a precision, acid-driven approach that makes skin behave like it is going through maintenance laser procedures. It's going to refine texture and tone and tighten pores with every application.